I got 2 packages in from Etsy this week and I have no idea what's in one of them. I didn't order it. So let's dig into the thing I was expecting and the thing I have no idea what is. So this one, I know what it is. It's from an Etsy company and I will have it linked in the description down below. This one, I've been waiting for this one for quite a while, is a pen. No, I'm just kidding. But they sent a pen. Oh, that's nice. I like that with the rose gold. Okay, hang on. Let's look at what I got. So this is also a pen. I ordered this from a company called O'Brien Custom Turning, and it's a little card to say big thank you. Thank you for being a valued customer. We're so grateful and hope we meet your expectations. Please let us know if we can do anything else for you. I will. But look at this pen. So O'Brien Custom Turning has a lot of blanks, and then you pick the blank you like and then they will turn it. They have several different designs that you can work from, and I like another pen I have that has several bumps in it, and I just feel good when my fingers can fit into something, and so I picked the 5-bump pen. It's so pretty. Look at these colors. I'm going to bring it right up. So it's the greens and the browns and the yellows, golds. Really kind of reminds me of fall leaves turning. And of course I love the green. It's really, really pretty. You can see the depth in it. I hope it's picking up on camera for you. Really, really like that. So pretty. I have some cat-eared tips and I want to see if they'll fit in here. Oh, it does. Okay, I don't have to do... Wow, that fits really, really good. I probably still will put on some of the little O-rings. I know I have some in here. I love these cat-eared tips. So let's just put one on here. See if that helps. And maybe one more. The little O-rings are so tiny. Away. There we go. So it fits pretty snug, kind of. But there's like a ball of something in there that is kind of pushing this back out a little bit, so I might have to work on that a bit and see. Yeah, it does feel a little bit wobbly, so I'll have to work on it to get it to fit properly, but I will figure it out. And so there's that. That's so pretty. And I love this pen. Like I said, I love this pen. Actually, my husband and I both lately have been getting pens with this very same design. Different colors though, and we both just love them. They write so nicely. And what is this? Handmade diamond painting pens and more. They do have a Facebook group, Handmade Diamond Painting Pens and More. And that's a sticker. So there's that. And then as well as that. So really, really nice pen. And I love that the bag actually kind of suits it. I'm actually just going to stick that single placer over there. I might have to put it back in until I can figure out how to make it work, but I definitely want to start using this pen. This pen is so gorgeous. Awesome. And now I'm going to just put this off to the side. And now for the thing that I have no idea what it is, you guys. So this is from a company called Sleepy Puppy 3D. I ordered from them I don't know, about a month ago or so, and I actually posted that video, but I have no, I haven't ordered from them again, so I don't know what's going on. I hope, like, I don't know, I'm gonna have to go into Etsy and actually check it out. I should have done that already. What? Hi, Dawn. What? You guys. Okay. What? Oh my goodness. So they sent me a note and it says, "Hi Dawn, we unexpectedly came across your unboxing video a few days ago and we were surprised to see one of our distinctive purple envelopes. Positive reviews like yours drive us and make us a big difference for our small family business. We wanted to show our appreciation somehow and decided to offer you these few gifts for the kind words you had for us. Please stay true to yourself, continue providing genuine unboxing reaction videos, and keep up your great work. Have a wonderful day and happy diamond painting. Magali and Kevin, Sleepy Puppy 3D." Oh my god. What? Okay, first of all, let's look at these stickers. They are totally adorable. A little bunny, because Easter's coming up, right? And then, oh, that's so cute. But you guys, okay, wow. They sent me another one of these tiny little trays. So right now I am using this one for all of the drills that I lose or fall off or I find underneath the diamond painting I'm working on right now, which is Mad Art Studios Little Village. And they sent me now another one, a purple one. That is awesome. I love it. Oops, I guess I should move that back. And then they sent me a small version of their tray. And where did I put my other trays? I was moving things around because I was doing an unboxing video the other day, but so this is what I had ordered last time, was the large tray, and as a gift they had sent me this extra little tray, which I thought was so cute. And then now they've sent me a smaller version of their 3D printed tray, and that is so cool. And they must have heard me say I love green because it's another green one. So that's awesome. That is so fantastic. Wow. Thank you guys. And this, look at this. And again in the green. What is this, like a pen stand? I'm not sure what this is. I'll have to go onto the site and see what this is. Oh, look, there's a little cutout on the back. So the dark green with the light, oh, you guys, this is so thoughtful. I'm not sure what this is. Do I have my cell phone in here? Give me 1 second. Oh, okay. So it's like a little display tray for different diamond painting heads. I just have plastic ones out right now. I do have metal ones too. Oh, here we go. But so you can like display them on there. That is really cool. So see, like you've got them all standing there. So if you want a tip, you just grab it really quick. I actually really like that because right now I've kind of got them in a little, on the side of my desk, I've got a little tray and I've just got them in there and I have to dig through to find the one I want. And if it isn't already on my pen. And with this, I can just like stand them right up in there. That is so cool. Wow. How thoughtful. Thank you guys. Again, thank you so much. I was so not expecting this and I thought, like, did I accidentally make an order that I didn't know about and I was just trying to go with it? But no, wow. I wasn't expecting this. This is so nice. Thank you guys so much. So what a great haul, both expected and unexpected from Etsy. Thank you so much to O'Brien Custom Turning. Please go check them out on Etsy. I will have the links down in the description to the website, and then also to Sleepy Puppy 3D. I love their tray. I use it all the time, and now I have a couple more to use. O'Brien Custom Turning, he has got so many pages of different blanks to choose from and different styles to have them made into, and then go show some love to Sleepy Puppy 3D. They make really, their 3D trays are just amazing, and I have been very, very happy with the other one that I ordered, and I think this was just so thoughtful of them. And as always, I'm going to just say go grab somebody who makes you feel special and appreciated and loved, and give them a great big hug to show your love and appreciation and support for them. Have a great day. Hope you guys are taking care. Love you all. Appreciate you all. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.